हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल नॉलेज गेट सीएसई में। अभी हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं सेशन 2 की आंसर की। सो आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज ऑप्शन बी 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज ऑप्शन सी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज ऑप्शन सी, आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 is option B, answer for question number 5 is option B, answer for question number 6 is option C, answer for question number 7 is option A, answer for question number 8 is option A, answer for question number 9 is option B, answer for question number 10 is option C, answer for question number 11 is option B, answer for question number 12 is option D, answer for question number 13 is option D, answer for question number 14 is answer C, and answer for question number 15 is option C. And these are 100% correct answers. I'll upload the I will definitely upload the solution video of this particular. So keep subscribing my channel. Thank you.